And we begin with a live look across the Bay Area at some of the counties that will require everyone, regardless of vaccination status, to wear a mask indoors. Beginning at midnight, 7 counties and the city of Berkeley will implement the new mandate. It follows CDC recommendations that everybody should be wearing masks now. As cases continue to spike, suddenly more people are realizing they need to get tested again.
But how easily can you get one? KPIX5's Kenny Choi is live in San Francisco. And Kenny, I know you've been digging into this question all day, so what have you learned?
Julia, Summer is saying we are back to square one when it comes to testing. It is difficult to get one. Where's the closest testing site? How quickly can I get an appointment? Many people we talked to today say it is extremely difficult to get tested right away. Every Bay Area County Health Department is seeing a significantly higher demand for testing.
We've already decided not to scale back some testing sites that we had considered scaling back. And as the demand changes, we are going to consider opening up additional testing sites.
Sam Levin has been trying to get tested for days after being exposed to a close family member who tested positive.
It's hard to get tests now as it was during like the real peak.
He finally got an appointment online, but spent an hour one way just to get to this testing site and isn't sure how long it would have taken if he tried for a walk-in.
It's not an easy process for me, and I've never tried to drop in. I don't really know.
Gone are the mass testing sites and many of the walk-ins. The majority of the remaining ones listed by the San Francisco's Department of Health are appointment only.
Yeah, we also are planning, are continuing our testing full speed ahead. We do see an increase in testing demand. And
in Marin County, we also are seeing an increase in the demand for testing.
Nearly every Bay Area County Health Department is now looking into expanding hours and possibly opening up more sites.
The city of Berkeley is also seeing an increase in demand for testing, and we are working with our testing partners.
So, Kenny, what else are health officials telling you, especially about getting the tests?
So public health departments are encouraging people to go with their medical provider first. They're encouraging that because they don't want these city-run or community sites to be clogged with the demand of testing. We're seeing it all across the city, especially after what the public health officials said today, that it is significantly higher, that demand. They are working on the supply and monitoring that situation. I checked the San Francisco Department of Health website, tried to see how early I could get an appointment. The earliest that I could find online was on Saturday.
Wow, and just a couple of weeks ago it would have been easy to get them, and then here we go again. So check with your provider first. All right, Kenny, great advice. Thank you.